Today I'm going to show you the DJI Mavic controller, an iPhone 7 Plus, and how to make that iPhone 7 Plus fit in the DJI controller with a case as if there's no case at all. I've recently picked up the iPhone 7 Plus to fly my DJI Mavic with. I've been looking at a lot of cases. As you know, you pull the controller out like so, and you put your phone in there, and I had been flying it with no case. Larger ones don't tend to fit real well with the controller. And then there were some that were slim, but they were a really tight fit. I recently just picked up this case by Kodab, I think is how you pronounce it, or Kodab. You see right there. And this is the thinnest case. It's as if I have no case on at all. I mean, it's on there right now. If you look real carefully, you can see it around the camera. But it's so thin that you can, it slides right in there as if there's not even a case on there. When you're using the controller, I mean, it fits exactly as if you're not using a case. I tried a couple other cases and they'll work, but there's a little added bulk so they don't slide into the rubber grips like they're supposed to. I don't know if this is going to come across in film, but this is so thin. I mean, you can see it's incredibly thin. It's just a little thicker than, it's not even as thick as a poster board. It's like a thin piece of laminate. I'd almost consider this more of a sleeve or a skin than a case. It doesn't put any extra thickness to your phone. So if you really just are more worried about scratches than you are dropping it and dinging the back, I cannot recommend this one more than enough. This one is exactly what Mavic users need. I will post a link to this case in the description so you can pick one up for the iPhone 7 or the 6 Plus. It just fits perfect.